Hi children, good morning. I hope successfully you have completed yesterday's ST. However, we need to discuss the key. First, in first question, the nth term of a ZP 3, 6, 12, 24 and so on. Here A equal to 3, R equal to 6 by 3, that is to Tn, nth term A R power n minus 1, which means 3 into 2 power n minus 1. 3 into 2 power n minus 1 is the nth term. Next, second problem. Which term of the ZP root 2, root 6, 3 root 2, 3 root 6 and so on is 243 root 2. They are asking. So here A is root 2, R is root 6 by root 2, which means root 3 into root 2 by root 2, root 2 get cancelled, root 3 is R. Here Tn is 243 root 2 they give. Actually Tn means A R power n minus 1. Here A means root 2, real right here. Here 243 root 2, here A means root 2, R means root 3 power n minus 1 equal to 243 root 2. Here root 2 get cancelled. Root 3 whole power n minus 1 equal to 343 means 243 means 3 power 5. Root 3 whole power n minus 1 equal to root 3 whole power 10. So n minus 1 equal to 10, n equal to 11. N equal to 11. In the first problem, Tn equal to 3 into 2 power n minus 1. For the second one, n equal to 11 is the required answer. Next. Third one, the sixth and 13th terms of a ZP are respectively equal to 24 and 3 by 16. Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term. Here 6th term b6 equal to 24 they give, which means a r power 5 equal to 24, that is 1. Next t13 equal to 3 by 16, that is a r power 12 equal to 3 by 16. If you divide the second equation by first equation, here a r power 12 by a r power 5 equal to 3 by 16 by 24. Here a get cancelled. R power 12 minus y equal to 3 by 16 into 24. Here r power 7 equal to 1 by 2 power 7. 16 means 2 power 4. 8 means 2 cube. 2 power 7. So r equal to 1 by 2. R equal to 1 by 2. With the help of r, here a 1 by 2 power 5 equal to 24. Here a 1 by 2 power 5 means 1 by 32 equal to 24. Then a equal to 24 into 32. 24 into 32. So you want the 20th term, means P20 equal to a r power 19. Here a equal to 24 into 32 means 2 power 5. R means 1 by 2 whole power 19. Still 3 into 2 cube into 2 power 5. Here 1 by 2 power 19. So 3 divided by, here 3 plus 5 8. 90 minus 8 equal to 11. 3 by 2 power 11 is the required answer. Once check that one. The 6th and 13th terms of a GP are respectively equal to 24 and 3 by 16. Find the 20th term. Here T6 AR power 5 equal to 24. T13 AR power 12 equal to 3 by 16. Then second equation by first equation, a get cancelled. R power 12 by R power 5 equal to 3 by 16 by 24. Here R power 12 minus 5 equal to 7. 1 by 2 power 4 into 2 cube equal to 2 power 7. So R is 1 by 2. With the help of R we can find A. Without finding A we can't find the 20th term. That's why substitute R value in the first. What is the first equation? A r power 5 equal to 24. A into 1 by 2 whole power 5 equal to 24. 1 by 2 power 5 means 32. A equal to 32 into 24. Now T20. We have A and R values. Now we can substitute. So here A means 24 into 32. 32 means 2 power 5. R power 19 means 2 power 19. 24 means 3 into 8. 8 means 2 cube into 2 power 5, which makes 2 power 8 into 2 power 1 by 2 power 19 means 3 by 2 power 11. 3 by 2 power 11 is the required answer. Next, fourth problem. In a GP of even number of distinct terms, the sum of all terms is 5 times the sum of odd terms. Then it's a common ratio. Here the relation between two series is they give. Okay, here GP of even number of distinct terms they give. For example, 10 terms are given me. First term, third term, fifth term, seventh and ninth terms are odd terms. Like this. That's why even number of terms they give. Here, let the GP be AR square, AR cube, and so on, AR power n minus 1. Odd terms. First term, third, fifth, and so on. So here Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here sum of odd. So here A into R mean R square whole power n by 2. Here out of 10 only 5 numbers are odd. Out of n by 2 are odd, n by 2 are even. Now we need to find the sum. Here R is R square in this series. Terms are n by 2 terms because the total terms are n. So minus 1 by R square minus 1. R square minus 1. Therefore, here sum of all its terms A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 equal to 5 terms of sum of odd terms. Here A into 2 to get cancel, R power n minus 1 by R square minus 1. A get cancel, R power n minus 1, R power n minus 1 get cancel. Here cross multiply. Then we get R square minus 1 equal to 5 into R minus 1. Now, here R square minus 1 equal to 5R minus 5. So R square minus 5R plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, here R square minus 4R minus R plus 4 equal to 0. 4 in terms of 5. So here R common means R minus 4. Here minus 1 means R minus 4 equal to 0. So R minus 4 equal to 0 means R equal to 4. Here and R equal to 2. This one false because if R is 1, formula fails, we know. That's why the required answer is R equal to 4 only. Required answer is R equal to 4. Once observe that. In a GP of even number of distinct terms, the sum of all terms is 5 times the sum of odd terms, then find its common ratio. Here even number of terms mean 10 or 20 or 16 like the terms are given mean half of them are even, half of them are odd. That's why even number of terms they give. Here the required GPP A, AR square, AR cube and so on, AR power n minus 1. In that odd terms are first term, third term, fifth term, seventh term, likewise. Okay, here Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. We don't know R is less than 1 or greater than 1. But for Sn it is greater than 1 means for odd terms also greater than 1. If it is less means they are also less. That's why I took greater than. So A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 is the Sn. Now sum of odd terms. A into here R mean for odd terms R is R square. Whole power n by 2. Total number of terms are n mean odd terms are n by 2, even terms are n by 2. We need the odd terms, that's why n by 2. 2 to get cancelled, minus 1 by R square minus 1. And another condition they gave, sum of all terms is 5 times the sum of odd terms. That's why here A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 equal to 5 into A into R power n minus 1 by R square minus 1. A get cancelled in the numerator part and in the product form. That's why you can cancel. So A get cancelled, R power n minus 1, R power n minus 1 get cancelled. Here 1 by R minus 1 equal to 5 by R square minus 1. Cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, R square minus 1 equal to 5 into R minus 1 you will get. Here R square minus 1 equal to 5R minus 5. If you transfer 5R and minus 5 to LHS part, R square minus 5R, here minus 5 becomes plus 5 and minus 1 we have. That's why plus 4 equal to 0. 4 in terms of 5 mean 4 ones. So R square minus 4R minus R plus 4 equal to 0. If you take R common, R minus 4, minus 1 common, again R minus 4 equal to 0. Then R minus 4 equal to 0, R equal to 4. In another case, R minus 1 equal to 0 means R equal to 1. But when R equal to 1, sum fails, formula fails. If you substitute instead of R, 0 by 0 occurs. That's why R equal to 4 is the required answer. R equal to 4 is the required answer. Next one, fifth. Find the nth term of HP. 4 by 3, comma 3 by 2, 12 by 7. Given 4 by 3, comma 3 by 2, comma 12 by 7 are in HP. Therefore, 3 by 4, comma 2 by 3, comma 7 by 12 are in AB. In AB, first term A equal to 3 by 4 and D equal to 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Here 12 is the LCM. 4 2s 8 minus 3 3s 9. Mean minus 1 by 12 is the D. Now Tn. In AB, AB is n minus 1 into D. Here A means 3 by 4 plus n minus 1 into D means minus 1 by 12. So here LCM is 12. 3 times, that's why 3 into 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So 3 is 9. Here minus n plus 1 by 12. 9 plus 1, 10 minus n by 12. Nth term of HPV1. That's the reciprocal. 12 by 10 minus n is the required Tn. Once observe this one. For finding nth term of HP, first we need to convert in terms of AB. So 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and 7 by 12 are in AB. Here first term in AB is 3 by 4, common difference 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 equal to minus 1 by 12. Tn of AB equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So So A means 3 by 4 plus n minus 1 into D means minus 1 by 12. Here 12 is the LCM. After simplification, we will get 9 plus 1 means 10 minus n by 12. 10 minus n by 12 is the nth term of AB. But we require nth term of HB. It's reciprocal. Here A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term of AB mean for HB 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. That's why 1 by 10 minus n by 12 mean 12 by 10 minus n is the required nth term of given HB. My important one, sixth problem, if B plus C, comma C plus A and A plus B are in HP, then 1 by A square, 1 by B square, 1 by C square are in. Here, given B plus C, comma C plus A and A plus B are in HP. So the reciprocal is 1 by B plus C, 1 by C plus A and 1 by A plus B are in AB. They are all the three numbers are in AB, then 1 by C plus A minus 1 by B plus C equal to 1 by A plus B minus 1 by C plus A. Difference of first two is equal to difference of second two if they are in AB. So LCM C plus A into B plus C, here B plus C minus of C plus A. Next, here A plus B into C plus A, here C plus A minus of A plus B. Next, here B plus C minus C minus A by C plus A into B plus C equal to, here C plus A minus A minus B, here A plus B into C plus A, here C get cancelled, here A get cancelled, here B minus A by C plus A into B plus C equal to C minus B into A plus B into C plus A. Here if you observe C plus A and C plus A in product form, that's why here B minus A by B plus C equal to C minus B by A plus B. You can answer this one. Afterwards I will continue. Here B plus C, C plus A and A plus B are in HP. Then we need to find the values of 1 by A square, 1 by B square, 1 by C square. First of all, the given statement B plus C, C plus A and A plus B are in HP, then their reciprocals are in AB. If they are in AB, difference of first into one, difference of second to difference of that two consecutive terms is the same. That's why 1 by C plus A minus 1 by B plus C equal to 1 by A plus B minus 1 by C plus A. LCM, C plus A and B plus C is the LCM, then we will B plus C minus of C plus A. Here A plus B and C plus A LCM, then we will get c plus a minus of a plus b. Minus of a plus b means minus a minus b. Minus of c plus a means minus c minus a. LHS part CC get cancelled, in RHS part A get cancelled. Afterwards, in the numerator c plus a, in LHS part and in RHS part also we have c plus a. So those also get cancelled. Those are individual terms in product form. That's why we can. If you transfer c plus a, it becomes numerator. That's why at that situation they cancel. So finally we got b minus a by b plus c equal to c minus b by a plus b. I'll continue. Now if you cross multiply b minus a into a plus b or b plus a, both are same, equal to here c minus b into c plus b, b plus a, c plus b. Here b square minus a square, a minus b into a plus b form. Here c square minus b square. If you transfer b square here, otherwise a square, b square, c square are in a. How can you say there may be difference of these two, b square minus a square equal to c square minus b square? That's why I wrote a square, b square, c square are in a. If a square, b square, c square are in AB, automatically 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square are in H. So they are in HP. If b plus a and c plus a plus b are in HP, then 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square are also in HP. Most important application this one. Okay, after completion of this one, b plus a, here b plus a, b minus a, here c plus b, c minus b, here b plus c, I wrote c plus b with the help of complete property. Here a plus b in terms of b plus c. So here b square minus a square, here c square minus b square. Difference of consecutive terms equal. That's why they are AB. Next, seventh one. Find the value of P if the sum to infinity of P comma 1 by P is 25. Here A equal to P, R equal to 1 by B, second term by first term, and S infinity equal to 25 by 4. We have S infinity equal to 25 by 4 they give, but A by 1 minus R equal to 25 by 4. Here A means P 1 minus 1 by P equal to 25 by 4. Here LCM P minus 1 by P equal to 25 by 4. P square by P minus 1 equal to 25 by 4. After cross multiplication, 4P square equal to 25 into P minus 1. So 4P square equal to 25P minus 25. 4B square minus 25B plus 25 equal to 0. Here 4 25 is 100. 100 in terms of 25. 25. 4p common, p minus 5. 5 common, p minus 5. So p minus 5 into 4p minus 5 equal to 0. Here p equal to 5 or 5 by 4. Only 5 is there, that's why p equal to 5 is the required answer. For finding the value of p, here the GP is p comma 1 comma 1 by p and so on they gave. But then S infinity equal to 25 by 4. Here A equal to P, R equal to 1 by P. So S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R, which means 25 by 4. Here A means P, 1 minus R means 1 by P. LCM of the denominator part is P, then you will P minus 1. So if you simplify that one, P square by P minus 1 equal to 25 by 4. After cross multiplication, 4p square equal to 25 into p minus 1, 4p square equal to 25p minus 25. If you transfer that side, 4p square minus 25p plus 25 equal to 0. 4 into 25 means 100 in terms of 25. In 20 plus 5, 20 into 5. Okay, that is the required answer. P equal to 5 is required. 5 by 4 also we got, but in options only 5 by 4. The next 8th one. 3 numbers are in GP. Their sum is 28 and their product is 512. The numbers are, from the selection of terms, let the numbers be A by R, A and A. From the selection of terms, the numbers are A by R, A, AR. Here the product is 512. Therefore, A by R into A into AR equal to 512. R get cancelled. 8 cube equal to 8 cube. So A equal to 8. A value 8. Next, sum is 28 like. Therefore, A by R plus A plus AR equal to 28. If you take A common, 1 by R plus 1 plus R equal to 28. Here A means 8. Here LCM R. So 1 plus 1 into R equal to R into R square equal to 28. Transfer 8 that side. Here 1 plus R square by R equal to 28 by 8. Here 4 table get cancelled. Here 1 plus R square by R equal to 7 4s and 2 4s. Cross multiply. 2 plus 2R square equal to 7R. So here 2R square minus 5R plus 2 equal to 0. Object is here. Three numbers are in GP. The sum is 28 and their product is 512. From the selection of terms A by R, A, AR are the three required terms. So product 512. A by R into A into AR equal 512. A cube equal to 8 cube. 512 means. So A equal to 8. Now sum 28 they give A by R plus AR equal to 28. If you take a common 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal 28. After LCM 8 into 1 plus r square by r equal 28. Transfer 8. 1 plus r square by r equal to 28 by 8. Then you will get 2r square minus 5r plus 2 equal to 0. Now a 2r square minus 4r minus r plus 2 equal to 0. Here 2r common, r minus 2, here minus 1 common, r minus 2. So r equal to 2r 1 by 2. 2r 1 by 2. Now we want a value here. A also we got a equal to 8. So with the help of a and r we can find the numbers. The numbers are a by r. A is 8. If r is 2, 4, 8, yeah, so 8 into 2, 16, 4, 8, 16. If r equal to 1 by 2, 16, 8, 4. However, 4, 8, 16 are the required answers. 4, 8, 16 are the required answers. Here r value we got 2, r 1 by 2. A also we got 8. So the required answers are a by r, a, r, which mean 4, 8 and 16 are the required answers. The remaining problems in the next video you have to learn.